Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe Om Shanti 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 Shishimanandamai ki Jai. Jai Ma everyone, welcome to my channel, which is my Satvikfood and more. I hope all of you are enjoying. I don't know, but I'm enjoying, so I'm doing it constantly. Today it is a very simple starter that I'm making. It's a tomato starter and it's really very simple but tasty. So see how I do it. First we'll do the dressing. So you first take olive oil. Okay, this is olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can take plain oil also, doesn't matter. And drop a little bit of olive oil. Say 1 tablespoon. I'm not measuring everything and doing it, but it's about that much. After olive oil, you take balsamic vinegar. This is balsamic vinegar. So if you don't have again balsamic vinegar, you can take apple cider also, vinegar. Now this also is little bit, okay? 1 tablespoon probably. Then you take plain vinegar, okay? Just plain vinegar. That also equal 1 tablespoon. That's it. Then you take in your black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon. Then sugar, 1 teaspoon. Then these are dried red chillies. So I've chopped them, cut them like this, ऐसे छोटा छोटा लंबा लंबा काटिए आप. So you drop that in. I've taken 3 of them. Then you put in oregano. I need salt. There is no salt here. Okay, that is done. Then take salt. I've taken 5 tomatoes, so you can take 5, 6, 8, whatever, depending on how many people are there. So salt, and then you throw in, I've mixed hara dhania, coriander and parsley. Now if you don't have parsley, you can use just coriander, or you can mix the two, So drop that in. Wash, I've washed it nicely. Wash, chop and throw it in. Then you take a spoon and mix. So this is the basic dressing that I have done first. And let it rest for a little bit. In the meantime, we'll chop tomatoes. Now, I'll show you. Take off the head. Throw it in your trash. Chop, cut. We want long thick strips like this, see. This is how you do it. Okay, leave it aside. Take another one. Now see, all the tomatoes are chopped into long thin strips and throw them in. Everything goes in. My hands are clean, okay? So hygiene is there. all tomatoes go in. I've taken 5 like I told you. You can take as many as you want. You can take less, more, and accordingly you have to do the dressing. Now mix, that's all. And once you mix everything, then you have to put it in the fridge for a little while for it to chill. And then it tastes very good. It's a starter. So खाने से पहले आप खा सकते हैं, खाने के साथ खा सकते हैं. It all depends on you, but it's basically a starter which you just serve in a plate. एक fork दे दीजिए और serve करिए. This is it. Simple and nice. So that's that. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvina Vaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shishimanandamai ki Jai. So try it and tell me how you like it. Please comment, subscribe, do all that. You know the rest. Jai Ma.